Good morning. Last time we saw the RS flip-flop using NAND gate, NOR gate, and simultaneously we saw the difference between the two truth tables. Okay, so there is little bit difference. Just the no change and not allowed conditions are reversed between these two flip-flops. Okay, now we are going to see the next flip-flop that is called as clocked RS flip-flop. Okay, clocked RS flip-flop. So clocked means what? There is another input which is called as clock. Okay, so this clock means by applying this input, the whatever the input change is transferred to the output. Okay, suppose this is an RS flip-flop. Okay, RS, and here Q bar. Okay, suppose this is an RS flip-flop. It has two inputs, that is R and S, and two outputs. Okay, so we use another input which is called as clock. Okay, on this input you have to apply the pulse, so that when we apply a pulse, the whatever changes in the RS is transferred to the output. If we don't apply the clock and if we change the input S and R, then this change is not reflected at the output of this RS flip-flop. So this is called as a third input, that is a clock. So such third input clock is used for a synchronization purpose. When you apply a clock, then and then only the change is transferred to the output. If someone is ready and then apply a clock, then this change is transferred to that particular ready device. Okay, so this is a clock. So let us see first the types of clocks. Okay, so there are two types of clock. First is age triggered clock. So this age triggered clock means this clock is operated with age, means this RS flip-flop is triggered with this age. If this is triggered with this age, then it is called as positive age triggered. Okay, if this clock is with this change, okay, then it is called as negative age triggered. Okay, so rising age or falling age. So this is called as rising age, that is positive age triggered, and this is a clock. If it is applied on falling age, then it is called as negative age triggered flip-flop. Okay, so this is age triggered clock, and it shows on the symbol like this. So it is positive age triggered, means it is indicated like this, positive age triggered, and a negative age triggered is indicated like this. Okay, so this is negative age triggered and this is positive age triggered. Okay, so on the diagram, if you indicate it like this, it is positive age triggered. If it is indicated with a bubble, that is called as a negative age triggered. So another type is level triggered clock. Level triggered clock. Okay, sorry. So level triggered means what? So this is triggered with a level, high level or low level. It is high level triggered clock. So this is called as high level triggered clock. Okay, and is low level triggered clock. Okay, just when you apply high, then change is transferred to the output. If you apply low, then change is transferred to the output. So high level is shown like this clock. Okay, and low level is shown by the inverter. Okay, so this is the two types of clocks, edge triggered and level triggered. In edge triggered, positive edge triggers, so it is indicated like this. In falling edge is called as negative edge triggered clock, and this is the level triggered. Okay, so these are the two types of clocks. Now we are going to see the clock. Okay, so clocked RS flip-flop. Okay, simple posterior edge triggered clock we are going to see here. Okay, so as per our textbook, so it has R and S inputs, Q and Q bar output, and clock arrangement is like this. So we use two AND gates. Okay, so here, so you have to apply clock. Okay, so this is named as R and is named as S. So there are different logics used here. It may be AND gate. Okay, so but there is some changes, that it may be OR gate. Okay, sorry, NOR gate. It may be NOR gate. So there is some changes in the arrangement. Okay, let us see just one method. It is by using AND gate. Okay, so we are going to consider this flip-flop which is having 0 0 no change condition. Keep in mind that for this arrangement you choose a flip-flop with a 0 0 no change condition. Okay, R equal to 0, S equal to 0. It should be a no change condition. Okay, which flip-flop is having no change condition 0 0? Okay, which flip-flop is having no change condition? So this NOR gate flip-flop is having 0 0 no change condition. Okay, so we use, this is a NOR RS flip-flop, so using NOR. Okay, so we are using this flip-flop by using NOR, then R and S equal to no change condition. Let us see the truth table. Okay, so inputs, it has inputs clock, S and R, outputs Q and Q bar, outputs Q and Q bar. Okay, consider if clock is 0. Okay, if clock is 0 means whatever the change is not transferred to the output. Why? Because when clock is 0, if one of the input of AND gate is 0, you will get output 0. If one of the input of AND gate is 0, you will get output 0. Okay, if clock is 0, both the output of this AND gate is 0, and S0 R0 is the no change condition. Okay, so we write here cross. Okay, So we write here cross. It means what? S don't care, R don't care, you get no change. Okay, you get no. Okay, so clock is 0, so cross means it is don't care. It may be 1 or 0, it may be 1 or 0, output is in no change condition. Okay, if we apply now clock 1, if you apply clock 1 and S1 R0, okay, if clock is applied, so here clock is applied 1, S1 R0, so whatever, when we apply a clock, this same change is reflected here. If it is 0, then it is 0. If it is 1, then here you will get 1. Okay, so as S equal to 1, R equal to 0, we very well know that when S equal to 1, R equal to 0, this goes into set condition. That means Q becomes 1, Q bar becomes 0. So it is a set condition. Similarly, if we apply clock 1, S0 R1, S0 R1, same reflected here, it becomes 0, because this one it becomes 1. So S0 R1, S0 R1 means Q0 Q bar 1, which is the set condition. Okay, similarly, if clock is applied, both are 0, then again it is no change. If both are 0, 0 means output 0, 0, it is a no change condition. We are using the flip-flop which is having 0, 0, no change condition. Okay, if we apply clock 1 and both are 1, okay, so if clock is 1 and both are 1, then output becomes both are 1, it is not allowed condition. Why? Because we are using the flip-flop, RS flip-flop using NOR, and this 1, 1 is a not allowed condition. Okay, so this is known as clocked RS flip-flop. Okay, very easy circuit. Then another one is D flip-flop. Okay, so D flip-flop means it is also called as delay flip-flop, okay, or data flip-flop. Delay flip-flop or data flip-flop. Whatever the D input which is stored in the flip-flop. So what it means when flip-flop is set, means it stores Q equal to 1 and Q bar equal to 0. Okay, if flip-flop is reset, that means it stores Q equal to 0, okay, and Q bar equal to 1. So this flip-flop is a unit memory. Unit memory means what? It is used to store 1 bit. So like that, in memory card there are a lot of flip-flops are used, and these are stored 1 or 0. So this flip-flop is called as a 1 bit storage unit cell. Okay, so this is a D flip-flop. Okay, so it has only single input. Okay, it has only a single input, and this is built from clocked RS flip-flop. Okay, so this is a clocked RS flip-flop. So in this case we use S line as a D input. Okay, and we connect inverter between S and R, so that when we apply a 0, this inverted is connected to the R. That means S equal to R, this condition is not possible with the D flip-flop. Okay, so S equal to R doesn't happen here, because so always we are going to apply in the inverted form. So truth table becomes now truth table. So it has input clock and delay input or data input. Okay, and output is Q and Q bar. If clock is 0, then it is don't care. Okay, so it is no change. If we apply clock 1 D0, then the 0 is stored in the flip-flop. Okay, and the 0 is stored in the flip-flop, and Q becomes 1, Q bar becomes 0. If we apply clock D equal to 1, now Q becomes 0, Q bar becomes 1. Okay, so this is the working of D flip-flop. Only 0 or 1. So 0 means it is stored. Oh, sorry. When D is 0, then Q is 0 and Q bar is 1. Sorry. If D is 1, then Q is 1 and Q bar is 0. Little mistake. Sorry for that. So D is 0. So here is 0. Okay, and Q bar is 1. And D is 1, Q is 1 and Q bar is 0. Sorry for that, there is little bit misunderstanding. Not misunderstanding. Okay, it is in the flow of this explaining, we just explain the wrong. So if it is 0, then Q0, Q bar 1. If D is 1, Q1 and Q bar 0. So this is the truth table of a D or delay flip-flop. Okay. So this is the D flip-flop. Okay. Then next one is a JK flip-flop. Okay. So JK flip-flop. Okay. So it is next one is JK flip-flop. So here junction flip-flop. So it is known as Johnson flip-flop. Okay. J for Johnson. Okay. JK flip-flop is same as just like RS flip-flop, but this RS flip-flop here in the clocked RS flip-flop there is a not allowed condition. This not allowed condition is replaced in the JK flip-flop. Okay. So this not allowed condition, the same. So this clocked RS flip-flop and this JK flip-flop both are same, but there is change. This not allowed condition is omitted in the JK flip-flop. So we make some adjustment. Okay, so that this change not allowed is not appear in this flip-flop. Okay, so let us see here. So we consider again RS flip-flop here. Okay, let us say S, R, Q and Q bar. So purposely we are writing here S and R, Q and Q bar. Let us see how. Okay, so outputs are Q bar. Okay, so we use AND gate to generate a clock. Okay, so here it is a clock. So this is like S and R input, but we named as here J and K. Okay, so up to this circuit, okay, this circuit is same as this circuit. Okay, just purposely I am writing here SR. So this circuit is same as this circuit, but there is now we are making some little bit different connection. So just you are connect this Q bar output, okay, to the input of AND gate. That AND gate is used for J input, and this Q is connected to the input of that AND gate, which is used for K input. Okay, so now this is final Q output and this is Q bar output. Okay, so this is the diagram of JK flip-flop. Okay, so we are doing this adjustment so that we have to avoid this not allowed condition. Okay, so let us see here the truth table. Okay, so just watch here how we are going to write the truth table. For that purpose we are using some different paper here. Okay, so let us see the truth table of this JK flip-flop. Okay, so it has inputs clock JK and output Q and Q bar. Okay, similarly, if clock is 0, it is in don't care condition. Okay, so there is no change, because when clock is 0, this change, whatever the JK, is not transferred to the output. So clock is 0, this change, there is no change. Okay, now consider if clock is 1, J is 1 and K is 0. Okay, consider here if you apply a clock, so here J is 1 and K is 0. Okay, so if we apply this one, so then output, because of K equal to 0, its output becomes 0. Okay, because of K equal to 0, its output becomes 0. But for this AND gate, if J is equal to 1, then its output depends on the Q bar. Okay, so J equal to 1, K clock is 1, then its output depends on the Q bar. Okay, so here Q bar. When Q bar is 0, you will get S equal to 0. Okay, if Q bar is 0, okay, so keep attention, if Q bar is 0, that means what? Q equal to 1. Okay, if Q bar is 0, this 0 is connected here and it is 0. Okay, consider if Q bar equal to 0, then it is 0. It means that when previously this flip-flop is in set condition, then S becomes 0, R becomes 0, and S becomes 0, R becomes 0 is a no change condition. We are using the same with S0, R0 is a no change condition. That means if flip-flop is in set condition, if we apply J equal to 1, K equal to 0, so output of this AND gate becomes K equal to 0. Okay, so because of this J equal to 1, the output of this AND gate is depends on Q bar. When Q bar equal to 0 means it is in set condition. Okay, then S0, R0, it is remains in a previous change. That means no change. That means in a previous state condition. What is the previous state condition? It is set condition. That means what? When J equal to 1, K equal to 0, and when we apply a clock, in that case flip-flop remains in a set condition. Okay, so it remains in a set condition. Now consider if Q bar equal to 1. If Q bar equal to 1 and Q equal to 0, what will be happen now? If Q bar is 1, that is applied here and it becomes output of this above AND gate is 1. So because of this one, that means previously flip-flop is in reset condition. So therefore Q bar is 1 and this Q bar is 1 is applied to here, and because of that Q bar equal to 1, so you will get here output of AND gate is also 1. So S1 R0, S1 R0. Okay, so S1 R0. So S1 R0 is nothing but a set condition. What is the conclusion? If previously flip-flop is in set condition, it remains in a set condition. If flip-flop is previously in a reset condition, so in that case the 1 is applied here, so S becomes 1, R becomes 0, so the flip-flop becomes goes in a set condition. If it is reset, it goes to set condition. If it is set, then remains in a set condition. So with J equal to 1, K equal to 0, Q becomes 1 and Q bar becomes 0. Always it remains in a set condition. Again, if we apply clock 1, J 0 and K equal to 1. So here we applied here J equal to 0 and K equal to 1. Consider this, J equal to 0, K equal to 1. So because of this 0, so upper AND gate output becomes continuously 0. So we don't bother about upper AND gate. Now if K equal to 1, now this output of this AND gate is depends on the Q. Okay. Now consider, so this is 0. If Q equal to 0 means it is in reset condition. So this 0 is applied here, then output of this becomes 0. S0 R0, then it becomes in a reset condition. Okay. Now consider if Q equal to 1, okay, and Q bar equal to 0. Now it is in set condition. So this 1 is applied here. So output of it becomes 1. Okay, now Q is equal to 1. So it is in set condition now. So then it is applied here 1, output becomes S0 R1 now. So S0 R1 is a reset condition. We know very well that. So here S0 R1 is a reset condition. So here S0 R1 is the reset condition. So Q becomes 0, Q bar becomes 1. So it is in reset. What is conclusion? If previously it is in reset condition, it remains as a reset condition because S0 R0, okay, there is no change. If it is previously in a set condition, it goes into reset condition because R becomes 1, S becomes 0. So when J equal to 0, K is equal to 1, then it becomes 0, 0, 1, it goes into reset condition. Now this is a remaining condition is very important condition with J equal to K 1, 1. J equal to K equal to 1. So consider what will be happen here. Okay. So consider first Q is equal to 1 and Q bar equal to 0. So this 1 is applied here. Then output becomes 1. So this 0 is applied here and output becomes 0. Okay. Then S0 R1. Okay. S0 R1. So previously Q is 1, now it becomes 0 and this becomes 1. Okay. Till clock is 1. Okay. Till clock is 1. In that case, now 0 is applied here and now this 1 is applied here. What happens? So because of 1, this output becomes 1 here, and because of this 0, output of this AND gate becomes 0. Now S1 R0. So S1 R0 is the set condition. Now it becomes 1, it becomes 0. Okay. Again it repeats. So this 1 is connected here, so output becomes 1. This 0 is connected here, so output becomes 0. S0 R1. Again it goes into reset condition. So every application of this clock, its output changes the state. Okay. Every application of this clock, or if clock is remains 1, its output changes the state. Okay. So this condition is called as a toggle condition. Okay. This condition is called as toggle. This is most important condition. Okay. So that means here this 1 1 is not allowed condition is replaced now with 1 1 with a toggle condition. Okay, what happens here? Continuously you can do yourself, work out yourself. If Q is equal to 1, it is connected here, it becomes 1. If Q bar is equal to 0 now, it is connected here. So S0 R1, then again it goes into reset condition. Okay, so this condition is known as toggle condition. So yourself you have to work out this one. So you will find that every time with the clock is 1, this output changes. If it is previously set, it goes into reset. If it is previously reset, it goes into set. And this condition is called as a toggle condition. Okay, this is a toggle condition. So let us stop here. So you have to see that this JK flip flop, it is the most important flip flop. Okay.